Hello folks, and welcome to Gary's World and Workshop, a place you'll find me doing almost anything. Art, construction, fixing, building, photography, resin work, special effects photography, micro photography, all kinds of stuff. Anyways, make the long story short, I figured I wanted to get another microphone. Wanted to get one of these little lapel lavalier type microphones, so it could be a distance away and work. Anyways, so I picked up this one at Amazon. We're going to see what I got. So it's a wireless lavalier microphone. It's plug and play, 20 meters accessible reception. Crystal clear, it says, high sensitivity, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff, plug and play. Anyways, so I thought I'd pick it up and try it out. Now, here we are. So here's what you get in the box. So the cool thing, well, we'll start with the instructions. We got instructions first. We have our instructions. Typical instructions. So what I really liked about this one is your transmitter. Oh, here it's all packed with a sponge. The transmitter, because I can plug this directly into my camera. I can plug this into my iPad. I can plug this into my iPhone. I can also plug this into my Mac Mini. Like how can you go? No bunch of cables and different ends and all that stuff. It's all right there. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. Comes with two microphones. I just happen to have, there's one for each. There's the foam ones, ends on them, or the furry ones, kind of like the furry ones. They're nice and furry. Then you get clips that goes on, rotates around, so you can clip it on in all different positions. So you would basically take it and clip it on your shirt. That's all you would do. One button in the back. Turn it on. When you turn it on, you have a green blinking light, because there's nothing on your transmitter yet. Your transmitter has one button, turn it on. So this light on the microphone got two green lights, nothing blinking. On this I have one solid light, which is connected to this. The other one was blinking because it was for the other microphone. The other microphone is off, of course, so I only have one. So if I turn this one on, press the button in back, green lights, I got green light here and I got a green light there. So both microphones are operating. Isn't that cool? I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, a quick mention too on these microphones. All three things have batteries installed in them rather. They're all rechargeable. And it comes with your rechargeable cord, of course. Great stuff. So I won't go into much more detail than that, but it should work fine. Okay. Till next time. If you'd like to see any more reviews on anything like this, be sure to leave me a comment. Give me that big thumbs up, smash that like button there, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hasta la vista.